Did a built-in GPS for the bike. Have it plugged in right here. Top one's for the phone, bottom one's for the GPS. I have it set so when you plug it in, it turns on automatically. Plug it out, it turns off within 15 seconds. So let's plug it in and give it some power. It's my little power adapter right there. The GPS is gonna turn on. It's touch screen. And that's how it looks. It's tucked under the windshield for the bike, tucked all the way in, so it's protected. And do a little walk around so you can see. Yeah, tucked nice right in there. Easy.